Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you have watched this my video. I greet everybody. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ o. Ó depend on time tẹ́yin bá wà ní side ọ̀dọ̀ yín. So, mo fẹ́ sáré drop a message yìí fún gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó like kó máa ṣe ìlara ọmọlàkejì wọn. It's not about everyday laugh or comedy. Sometimes we need to tell ourselves true, then we need to do something good, not every day about comedy. So mo fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí because nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní a lot of people tí ò dẹ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra, ẹ jẹ́ ká dẹ́kun àti máa lára èèyàn. Mo ṣe fídíò yìí ní ọjọ́ kan, ọjọ́ yẹn mo wà lórí bed náà, mi kò mọ spirit yẹn tó wá tí mo ṣe fídíò yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn. But a lot of people wọ́n mú serious tí ó dẹ̀ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra, ẹ jẹ́ ká dẹ́kun. So mi rò pé àwọn èèyàn mú ní òkúkúdùn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká má máa lára. Ẹ má máa lára èèyàn nítorí pé ó lè jẹ́ àsìkò tó o bá fẹ́ débi gíga ló máa ṣe ìlara ọmọlàkejì ẹ. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣe kíni, oore tó fẹ́ gbé fún ẹ yẹn á gbé fún ẹni tó ń lára ẹ̀. Mo máa ń wo fídíò sister mi kan, it's not Nigeria but it's Africa. So I watched their video this morning. He do live video. That sister was talking about people bring person down, the time wey never get money, the time wey dey hustle, wey no get anything, people no dey jealous am. That's the life be. If you no be like somebody, if you never get anything, the time wey you dey eat food without no meat, nobody see you that time. But the time wey you don dey eat chicken, meat, something like that, you will get haters. You must get haters. And not be safe, e get haters. Jesus Christ, e get haters. Talk less of you. You must get haters. But although these haters, if you stop, God can bring you up. But if you no stop, you will stay one place. Some people will just started to hate you for no reason. They will just they hate you. They will just dislike you. Whatever you are doing, they will just hate you. Then the moment you hate that person, God will hate you too. Until you love another person like your own, God can bless you. You see somebody happy with that person, so that one day you will date that moment. If you see person he get house or a big house, just look the person, say, oh God, ask yourself, ask God, say, God, which day I want to reach this place, which day I want to get this thing so person gets. Don't they look that person, say you want to bring that person down. Don't they look the person the way you want to bring that person down. No. If you see somebody he have car, then you never get the car, you still dey use your leg, you dey take bus, you dey take taxi. Just ask God, God, don't let my time pass me. Which day I want to get my own car? Which day? Maybe you are living in Germany, you need documents. If you see somebody he get documents or he get something wey you never get, don't dey look the person, say, wetin dey worry this woman? Na only you. Just ask God, God, the day will you do this person home? God, do my home. Don't dey hate anybody. Don't look person, say, I want this person to calm down, I want to bring this person down. You can't bring person down because you are not a God. You are not a God. My people, I give you this advice. If you like, you can take. If you don't like, don't take. But if you are happy with somebody, they will happy with you one day. Somebody have baby, you congratulate the person. Congratulations, thank you, no baby, I love you. They will congratulate you one day. But you see somebody is happy, your mind just bitter. Your mind just bitter. Be like, say, if you see something that moment, you can kill the person or you can use something to destroy the person. No, life is not like that. My brother, my sister, life is not like that. A lot of people, they will just see you maybe on Facebook, maybe or face to face, the way they will look you, the way they will behave. Why God will do something for you? God will never do something for you, because God will see your mind, say your mind is very bitter, your mind is very full for rat, he full for goat, he full for animal, he full for evil things. E dey your mind. Then moment you are do this thing, you will still you will stay one place. You know, you will stay one place. You will never progress. You will never progress. But moment you see somebody is happy, you're happy with the person, your mind is just free. You're free with the person. Why not? God will do it for you. Because moment you will never get anything, all the people, they will come around you, they will play with you, they will love you, because they know say you will never get anything. But moment you get something, you get money, but the moment they see the person, say God will just bless that person. No be say God don't bless them a lot, but little way God will just give the person. They will just start to hate the people. No matter that person do moments, they will just hate them. You know, some people, you will do good for some people, you will nice with some people, you will dey free with some people, but for your back, they will just they talk many things about you. They will just they use their mouth to bring the person down. Why? Why, my people? I just ask you, where you dey like to hate people, you like to bring people down, and they ask you the question. So you need to give me answer. Don't be come to hate person because you are not a God. You grate the person. So if he hate the person, God will hate you. No matter you doing, God will just hate it, because you hate somebody wey God great. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ẹ̀dá kan wà nílé ayé tẹ́ pé a gbọ́dọ̀ bínú wọn. Àwọn ẹ̀dá kan wà nílé ayé tẹ́ pé a gbọ́dọ̀ lára wọn. Àwọn ẹ̀dá kan wà nílé ayé tẹ́ pé a gbọ́dọ̀ bínú ìṣẹ̀dá wọn àbí orí wọn. Nítorí pé àwọn ẹ̀dá tá ń sọ yìí, omi wà nínú wọn, iyọ̀ wà nínú wọn, iyanrìn ó wà nínú wọn. Ẹni tó bá bínú iyanrìn kò lè rówó kọ́lé. Okay, ṣó possible nsìn? O ò lè fi blọ́ọ̀kù nìkan kọ́lé náà. Iyanrìn náà máa mix mọ́ flour, náà máa mix mọ́ cement tó máa fi ṣe block. Iyanrìn náà máa mix mọ́ cement tó máa fi gbélé dúró. Ṣó wá yẹ ká bínú irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀? Omi náà tó wà lélẹ̀, omi làbùwẹ̀, omi làbùmu. Kò sí tá a lè fi omi ṣe. À ń fomi wẹ̀, à ń fi omi gba èèyàn sílẹ̀, à ń fomi dáná, à ń mu omi. Kò sí ọjọ́ kan láyé tá a jí tá a fomi ṣe nǹkan kan. Ìwọ tí mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀, o ti jí láàárọ̀, o ti fomi wẹ̀, o ti fomi dáná, o ti fomi bọ́jú. Ṣó wá yẹ ká bínú irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀? Torí àwọn ẹ̀dá tá ń sọ yìí, omi wà o, iná wà. So ìwọ tó bá ti bínú omi, o ò lè rómi ṣe nǹkan kan nígbésí ayé ẹ̀. Ibi tó mi bá dẹ̀ wà lélẹ̀, ó máa ń tutù ni. Ó máa ń tutù. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀dá kan tún wà tẹ́ pé èèyàn ò gbọdọ̀ bínú sí. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀dá tẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ó dìdí dá wọn ni, àwọn àkàndá èèyàn. Tẹ́ pé èèyàn ò tiẹ̀ gbọdọ̀ hate wọn. Gbogbo ohun tó bá ń ṣe, ó gbọdọ̀ máa gbà á ni. Ó gbọdọ̀ máa tẹ́wọ́ gbà, ó gbọdọ̀ máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn wa, a lot of people wọn ò mọ̀. Wọ́n kàn ṣàdédé máa bínú àwọn ìṣẹ̀dá tá a dárúkọ ẹ̀. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọlàkejì ẹ. Jẹ́ kí inú ẹ mọ́ sọ́dọ̀ ọmọlàkejì ẹ. Tó o bá tí ní nǹkan lénìí, mọ̀ dájúdájú pé o sì máa ní tó bá yá. If you believe yourself, then you believe God you are serving, whether you are Muslim or Christian. If you believe yourself, you must get it. If you believe yourself, you must get it. No be the time you hate people or you want to bring the person down before you will get that thing. Because moment you are running for people to bring people down, to hate people, you no get time for yourself to ask God wetin you need. Because the time wey you need to get for yourself, you get for another person wey dey progress, wey God just already dey their back. You just dey there. You no get time for yourself. You no get time for yourself to pray for your family, to pray for yourself. You just get time for another person to go and check their page, to look people their comment for their picture, to look the person who maybe I want to know this person, this one are their best friend. I will go. Some people, I will talk this thing. Some people get fake account Facebook. They will just go their friend or their enemy or their haters. They will just go their page to go look people their comment for their picture. Maybe they see that person say every time this person post their picture, these people they comment almost their picture. They will just tag the person and just be a friend. From there they will just use that fake account to spoil that person name. Why? I'm asking you, why people do like that? See, me wey I dey talk, I no fit talk say I'm a good person or I'm a bad person, but I know myself. I free with people. I love people. You understand me? I love people. I like people. But if I see you are evil person, or you are a bad person, you like to bring people down, or you don't get good heart, I will step back for you. That's my own. Instead of me to fight you or to start to insult each other or to curse you, I will step back for you. If you say I dey call you several times before, I call you every day by day to talk, to joke, I will stop to calling you. I will stop to calling you. But if I see you are a good person, you are a nice people, you dey free with people, they do iki like Arabu. I don't know how I want to call am English. Me no mind me. And person wey like to do like this, I will step back for you. If you know me very well, I'm a person like I craze, If I hear something, I will not cook react. I will find out. I will find out before I will take anything stupid. Then I will not fight you, but I will just step back for you. Maybe I come to your house before, we eat, we play, we joke. I will stop all of that thing. If I see you, hello, good morning, how are you? How's your family? How's your blah, 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 But me, if I see you happy, I will happy, because I believe, say one day, that happiness you get, I must get it one day. Because everybody get their time. I'm not carry bad luck on this life. Good luck, they follow me. Blessing, they follow me. So I no need to hate people before God will bless me. Because if I hate people, God will not bless me. If I dey jealous people, God will not bless me. If I dey talk bad thing for your back, God will not bless me. Although this thing, no gain for there. Aproko, kokonsa, tafia, no gain for there. Wetin you go talk for person back? When say if you see that kind of person, you can't confront the person and tell her, say, I talk this thing. It's better don't say it. But wetin say if you say it for the person for back, if I see you, I will confront you, I will talk. That kind of person can, fit kill you. He will just tell you, so, sister, I don't like wetin you talk. Don't talk am again. It's finished. But because that moment I get for that time to talk their tafia, that time I need to get am for myself to ask God, why? I come this life to come and do good thing. I no come this life to come and serve my age mate or something like that. But you no get time for yourself morning to night. You just go dey look that person page. I want to know wetin he upload today. If you get time for yourself, you no get time to go look person page. I want to know wetin you post. I want to know how many people you comment for you. I want to know wetin you do. I want to know wetin you no. If I don love person, I will not check your page. You hate me, you jealous me, you no like wetin I dey do, then you dey put like for my picture. Why? You don't need it. If you don't like me, you no like what I'm doing, you no need to give me like on my picture or on my anything I'm doing. Do you getting me? You no need to do something like this for me. So stop to hate people. Stop to bring people down. Be a lover. Love people. Share love. If you share love, good thing will come your way. Whether you look for child, whether you look for work, whether you look for document, whether you look for money, whether you look for car, God will just do it for you. You will not expect it. It will be like miracle or magic. But moment you are sit down, you see somebody else picture on Facebook, that person was shine, it was happiness, was graceful. You just look that person. Look at this. Wetin he post, see picture. Wetin he write, you don't know how to write, you don't know how to do this. That moment you are think all of that thing. That time wey God is supposed to bring something for you, you just take your mind to another place. So I'm begging you, my people, be a lover. If you know the way somebody can make money, the way you make money, show the person. Me, I can do that because your customer is not my customer. People will come to me, no be that kind of person will come to you. So don't be a stingy. Don't be a haters. I hate people who hate person. If I know you, maybe you are my friend before, I love you to return. I just notice you say this person is my enemy, I will run for you. I will run for you. I will stop to calling you. If I see you like that kind of person like that, I will run for you. I will not come to your life again. Then I don't want to see you in my life. Or if I see say this person still come my life, I will hello, good morning, good afternoon. How's your family? I hope you are doing fine. Blah, 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 blah. It's finished. Maybe before me and you, they talk a lot of things. I will stop to do that thing. Because I hate people, they are hate person. I hate people, they are jealous. I hate people, they are I don't know how I want to call this thing in English. Because God will do that person, He will do your own. You and person just eat the same plate, finish now. That the person just comot within 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You started to, oh my God, who does that? You started to talk many things about the person. Why? Some people will go husband and wife house. They will started to talk rubbish. Maybe the man just dey help him wife or do something like that or something else. You just start to talk rubbish. The woman too lazy, you no fit do blah blah blah. Na him wife na him husband dey do something for am. Na him husband dey wash plate. Wetin concern you? Face your own family. Although these people, your husband do more than that for you, then you will never come outside and appreciate what your husband do for you. You will just dey pretend like only you are do everything in the house. Then meanwhile, the guy is helping you, but you go to another person marriage. You want to start to cause fights. A lot of people do this thing. They will come to your house. That's why I no get friend. I no get friend. My husband, my children, is my family. It's my friend. I no get any friend because I no need fucking friend. Will come to my house and start to talk rubbish. You understand? Then I want to say this thing again. I will join one video for this my video, you watch that video. That video na film, Yoruba film. Dem make the video. The people they like to hate people, to jealous people. I will join that video with this video. Do you understand me? So stop it to hate people. So imagine fama lára èèyàn. Don't hate person. Love another person the way you love yourself. Love another person the way you love yourself. Don't be hate people. Don't be go use fake accounts to go and spoil another person name. Moment you are do this thing, you will not progress. You will not go forward. You will just stay one place. If your people make money, you there, you are hating people. You dislike people. You don't like what these people doing. If you don't know that thing where the people they do, just go learn. If you don't know that thing, learn. If you learn, you will know it. You don't learn, you don't know anything. You just they start to talk rubbish. It's not nice. Ẹ má jẹ́ a máa kórìíra wa. Ẹ jẹ́ a nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọlàkejì wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ara wa. I say this thing again. I'm a loving person. Mo máa ń like èèyàn. Tí n bá rí èèyàn, mo máa ń like èèyàn. Mo dẹ̀ máa ń open mind mi. But tí n bá ti rí pé ṣekú ṣẹyẹ ní ẹ, ṣèké ṣáájò. You don't love me, reach your heart. I will step back for you. That's my own. If I see you are a bad person, you see me, you will laugh with me, you play with me, then for my back, you talk a lot of things. I will step back for you. I don't need to go find person or to go find information for anywhere. I'm a person where like say my body, they tell me something. Then anything my spirit tell me, I'm following it. If my mind just tell me something now, or my spirit just tell me, I must do that thing. That's something I'm doing now. This video I make now, my mind just tell me, my spirit just tell me. That's why I do it. If my spirit tell me, say this person you I follow is a bad person, is a bad block for you, is not a good person, in your back he talk a lot of things, I will step back for you. I will give you gap. I will give you back. I will give you a lot of gap. I will free you. You will do your own, I will do my own. If I see you, I will greet you. Maybe I will call you every day before. I will reduce the call. I will not fight you. I will not tell you go your own, let me go my own. Nobody will tell you before you will leave me alone. Because I don't like person they like to chop their friend or their fellow woman like you. They chop their leg for back. It's not good. Because the time when that person chop without no food, eat without no anything, he sleep for ground, you don't have money to eat. Nobody eats that person that time. You know, eat the person. You know, they talk anything. Where the time when God just bless the person, what just start to, you get your time, I get my time. Your time will not pass your own. But if they look for another person down, your time will pass you. That's true. Your time, it will pass you. Because you don't get time for yourself. Just get time for yourself. Pray for yourself. Because you don't know moments God can bring blessing for you. Maybe the time when God won't bring blessing for you, you there for another person room, you are talking another person where God done already great, where God done already blessing, where God done already lift up. Then you are sitting there and talk a lot of things about the person. Because you don't know that kind of person, the hair where that person gets. You don't know maybe the person is water. You don't know maybe the person is sand. You don't know the person whether na fire. You are started to talk all of these people. You wake up one day, you don't use water. No. You drink water. You use the water to bath. You use the water to wash your hand. You use the water to wash plates, to cook. So stop to envy people. Stop to hate people. Love another person like yourself. Just be happy. If you see somebody for maybe Facebook or in your house, it's happy with the person. Me, when I small, I like the place where they talk say them born. I will eat morning food, afternoon food, evening food for there. If you say my mother is looking me, we must talk, say yes. If I hear say somebody born, I go even leave school. I no go to madrasat, that Ileke. I no go. My mother go tell me, say, go and sell market. I no go. I go run, leave my mama for market. I go that house where they born. I go help and wash plate. I go help and wash clothes. Maybe that's why God just bless me with children. You understand me? I will go there, wash and plate. Because you know now, for Ibadan, if you people born, you go eat, you go tire. No be say they do naming ceremony. They never do naming, they never do party. But that day where they born, if that person don't come for hospital or native hospital, they can't come house like this. Amala funfun, Oluwa mi o. Ma se amala, ni wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe gbẹ̀gìrì, ni wọ́n mọ̀ ṣe wédú, ẹ̀kọ́ àtẹ̀fọ́. But she mama Jenny, you go eat, you go tire. My mother go come there, come call me. I no go come out. I go they look that pikin say, now one person carry this pikin for pregnant, for stomach. I see the pikin, see the way it look. I this pikin take come outside. I just they imagine. How come, especially if I see pikin wey be, I say fine. How come you thought, I this pikin take come outside? I this person take push? I will carry the baby. I no go leave the baby. My mother go come there, come beat me. Oh yeah, let's go, come and sell market. Huh? They don't. People will know me for Ibadan, for Adabale, they know. If he born, Amy, say no book come here say this person born. I go come help you. Your mama no need to come and stay with you. Your in-law self no need to come and stay with you. I'm ready for you to help you wash your clothes, your baby clothes, your own clothes. I don't help person wash clothes with blood. So if I see something like that, I dey happy. Especially if I see some person say that they do marriage. That's why I dey for Ibadan, that they come one place for Iyemetoja. That place na feed. Now that place, if people want to do maybe ceremony or wedding or burial this thing, now for that feed, if I go there, if I see somebody say that they do it, I go talk say God, which day me say if I go come wear this kind white gown, we be like say everywhere they guru. Which day I go just dey imagine. I go dey ask God. No be say I go dey get bad mind for that person. Say why? Maybe that's why. All my journey, all my sufferness, I suffer for this life. God just, because this place where I did today, I no expect. There are no belief. Say, I no believe in my life. If even one pastor tell me say you will travel out, I will not believe that person. I will not believe the person. I know they hate person. If you want to do something, I will do it for you with happiness. I will not do it for you with bitter. That's my own life. But if I see you are a bad person for me, you are not a good person, I will step back for you. That's my own. Please, my brother, my sister, stop to do this thing. Don't be a hating people. Don't hate person. If somebody do something for you, call the person, tell that person. If you don't tell them 3 times, step back for the person. But that one is not mean say you hate the person. I'm not hating you, but I want to just step back for you because you are not my spirit is different for your own spirit. Your spirit and my spirit is not connect. Then if something is not connect, it's problem. It's a problem. That's my own. If my spirit is not connect with your spirit, I will let you go your own. I will go my own. So that's this message I have for you. Please stop to hate people. The time when the person they hate, you not show depression. Stop hating people. Love people. It's me, Yabada. It's me, I am me. This is my real face. Yeah, don't hate people. Love people. If you love people, God will come your way. God will bless you. Anything you have, God, you must get it. If you need document, or you need house, or you need car, you need money, you need good job, God will do it for you. Yeah, my brother, my sister. Love yourself and love your neighbor. Don't be hating people. Don't curse people. Don't sit down for one place. Anywhere where person they sit down, gather, sit down, talk another person matter. Blessing not the day for that place. Even that room where they do that meeting, blessing wey dey for inside that room, e don comot. You hear me, my brother, my sister? Stop hating people, because that time wey that person dey suffer, you no see the person that time. When the person come be a great person, you just start to hate the person. Why? Stop. My brother, my sister, Nigeria fellow Nigeria, Nigeria fellow Nigeria, Africa fellow Africa. Hate ourselves. One love. You see? One love. I love everybody. But if you don't love me, if you hate me, if you don't like me, you don't like what I'm doing, I leave you for God. May God judge. But me, I don't hate anybody. I love everybody. I love man. I love small girls. I love person wey be like say he pass me. Then let him give ourselves respect. You know, respect is reciprocal. Obo no se npe. Say mo get it abi mo get it. Kulu e mo lo se bo so nisi. So yin, ẹ jẹ́ mo respect ara wa. Let him give us respect. I respect you, respect me. You know, ẹ jẹ́ mo respect àwọn tó bá jù wá lọ. Give the person is senior you. If you not, some people go talk say no be 1 year you used to senior me. That 1 year you no fit use money buy am. 2 years you no fit use money buy am, because that person he first come this life, he drink this water before you drink. So respect person is senior you. Respect the person dey for your front. You understand me? A lot of people, because of this Europe where people dey, they go see their sister wey senior am, because say everybody dey normal level now. No respect. No, life is not like that. You understand me, my brother, my sister? Respect yourself, people will respect you. But if you don't respect yourself, nobody will respect you. You understand me? So just love ourselves. One love. I love all Nigeria. I love whether you be Gambia, whether you be Guinea, whether you be Nigeria. I love everybody. That's my own. I no get friend, I no get enemy. I love you. My children is my friend. My husband is my friend. My mother is my friend. My sister is my friend. My brother is my friend. I no get friend, because I don't want anybody to destroy my life. Do you get me? Love yourself. God will love you. Bye.